Hello, reporters. I'm going to give you the top 4 reasons why this save button would do nothing. I'm going to enter my fake voucher here. I am going to enter hearing date. I am going to enter number of pages. And then I am going to try to save it. So what you're going to look for when you hit save and nothing really seems to happen, things are happening, they're just subtle. One is this one right here. The file hasn't been uploaded. The red on this indicates file needs to be uploaded, and it's not there. Number 2, here is this invalid date indicator. That means the date is not formatted correctly, and if you will look here, you have to format it with the 4-digit year. So I'm going to change this one to 2018. But now when I did that, another red box, different red box popped up. It's saying duplicate hearing date. What that means is not necessarily you're trying to bill for a duplicate. It just means that you've entered something under this date. So we want you to take a look at what you've entered prior to this, and we're going to look here, see that these are all the dates that I have vouchered for 4/11/2018. And when I look, I'll see that Jonathan Doe has been vouchered before. If it is a true duplicate, you would just delete it and not voucher for that again. If it's not a true duplicate, say it wasn't Jonathan Doe, it was somebody else here, you would just say it's not a related case. If you are getting requests for several cases and it's all in the same day, then you would just say it's not related and save it. Subsequent billing allowed at a copy rate. This is for co-defendant or a different case number. If it is a co-defendant or a second case number, you would say subsequent billing allowed at copy, and then in here you would enter the case name or the case number. This third one is related case, different portion of the same hearing. This is if you did an AM or a PM, the jury selection or a part of the trial, something like that, or a motion later in the day. So if you did them separately, it's the same case but not the same transcript, you would put related case and then enter the comments here. And then we have the other catch-all for anything else. You're going to have to put comments. So we're going to save that, and you'll see that the duplicate hearing flag turned green, and you're able to proceed on with that. Also up here we have the transcript type. Sometimes when that information auto-populates, we just skip down to the hearing dates and forget to select that it is an appeal or whatever case type that's here. One more common error that might happen is if you try to bill this copy, say you wanted to do an original plus the copy on the same voucher. What you're going to do here, since this actually belongs to either a different defendant or a different case number, you cannot bill them within the same voucher. You're going to get another invalid hearing date on both of them, as you're trying to voucher for the same hearing date in the same request, and you can't do that. So we're going to have to delete this one, and you'll see that the error flags go back. We're going to check this page, and the only thing left to error out is the file. Right here, here's a court order sample. I'm going to attach that and open it, and you'll see it shows up here. Now we should be able to save. So you're going to review your case information, make sure it all looks correct for what you entered, and if there are no other problems, then you're going to want to electronically sign your statement. And at that point, it should say success, it was saved, and it shows up right there under your requests. As a review, the most common errors are going to be here. The transcript type has not been entered, a misformatted date, didn't use the 4-digit year, or the date is after today, haven't uploaded a document, or the document's not a PDF. You will get an error as well on here. And those are the most common errors in CTF. I hope this helps. Thanks.